Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So I'm sorry you guys, I've been a little MIA, but that's because school has started. I just moved into my dorm. So today I'm going to give you all like a room tour, a dorm tour, basically because there's not much to see in my room per se, but I'm going to give you a whole dorm tour today. But anyway, I miss you all so much. I just had to get a little time to get readjusted back to being in school, unfortunately. But but anyway, hope you all enjoy this video. If you aren't already, remember to subscribe and like and comment at the end of this video. Let's get into it, you guys. Bye. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off the tour in like the back of my building. So let me flip the camera around and show you all everything. So this is my building. This is my building. This is my building. So over here, let me walk over here. If you can see all the way back there, it's the cafeteria. Over here we have a little volleyball net. Spikes, spikes, spikes. This is like our backyard, I guess you could say. Oh, this is a cute little fireplace. I don't know if it works or how it works. Little UK flat screen TV outside, which is crazy, but it's also little cameras right there. So yeah, this is a little backyard. So then you walk in. We have 24/7 visitation. So you have to sign in, like get beeped in. So I have my student ID on the back of my phone. So that's what I'm gonna do. Turn screen, open doors. So here you have a little pool table. Right here is a little sitting area, another TV, another TV. It's another one over here. Nice little stuff. This is a cute little sitting area. Has little TVs on each side, each little booth kind of thing. Another little table. Okay. Okay. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, so now we're gonna go up to my room. So you have to use your little ID to use the elevator in the lobby. I didn't want to talk over there because that guy at the desk is sitting over there. Didn't want to be weird, but yeah, I'm in the elevator now. So I don't know what kind of game this is. Foosball, table tennis, I don't know. But now we're gonna walk to my room. Okay, so here's my room. That's me. I have 3 roommates. So I'm gonna use my little ID thing. Oops. Okay. So it's a little living room thing, I guess. So this furniture came with it, of course. It's an okay view. This is like from the front way. Has a nice little table. Table, chair. So now we're going to walk over here. I love that it has a little island thing right here. Comes with a dishwasher, you guys. I don't really use a dishwasher though. I just like to wash my dishes by hand, of course. An oven is a little dirty. I didn't do that, you guys. I didn't do that. Yeah, a full-size refrigerator. It came with that too. So this is my stuff. I love cranberry juice. I'm gonna try hummus. I never had hummus before, but I'm gonna try it. Then this is more of my stuff, of course. I like to keep my things together because I'm pretty picky about my things. My taco meat, I made like strawberry syrup or whatever. Made pancakes this morning, so that was kind of fun. Freezer, most of the stuff is probably mine because I cook a lot, but that's like my shrimp and You all know what that is, of course. My coffee, I like make 3 pots every day now. That's my seasoning rack. So I have this stuff organized pretty well, but it's not anymore. Sorry it's so dark. Oh, I should turn on the light. Okay, that's better. So it was organized, but it's not anymore. But yeah, I have a lot of different things over there. These are my seasonings. You all know this is like the GOAT. Nature is warming up on me, you guys. Those are my seasonings. What else do I have? Oh, it comes with an oven and stove. Okay, so let's go to my room. Oh wait, comes with a washer and dryer. Let me show you all this. That's the dryer. I thought that was the washer at first. So yeah. Okay, and here is like the little sink area. My towels. This is my side, you guys. I have the 2 bottom drawers. That's paint on there. I don't know how that got on there. So this is pretty messy right now, you guys, but it's my stuff. Oh, and my last roommate made me this. She was really nice. So let's go to the bathroom. Oh, I brought this from home. I think my grandma got me this. Yeah. Has a little mockingbird on it. Pretty tight, nothing spectacular, nothing spectacular. And I always lock my door because I'm pretty picky about my things and my business is in here, you know? Okay, so this is my room. I have to fix my cover. Don't judge me, you guys. Don't judge me. So let's start over here. I'll turn my ring light on a little bit. Yeah, let's start over here. So I have to return this here, so that's why it's sitting there. This is like my business area. Of course, right now I'm gonna have to do something better with it, but this is my label maker, my business cards. These are the only lashes I have left. Most of these boxes are empty right now, but these are the only lashes I have left. I put my poly mailers, tape, more business cards, the little shreds right there. Yeah, that's basically, I'm gonna fix it better and actually do a video on it. So I just got here, so a lot of this stuff for my business isn't unpacked yet. Like a lot of my poker chips are in there and stuff. Yeah. This is my TV, of course. I have my little dresser. These are like, you know, underoos. These are leggings and biker shorts. I just put them in those 3 drawers. My bed. So we get full-size beds, which is pretty amazing. Of course. Is that a grease stain on my wall? But yeah, I really like this painting. I have more. I just don't know what to do with them yet. So it just says she designed a life she loved. And it's velvet, which is really cute. And the lights are flashing. I'm gonna put something else right here, I think. I just have to figure out what. And there's my ring light, of course. And here I have my clothing rack. I'll show you all. So I tried to color coordinate this stuff. So it goes from reds to oranges to pinks. Oh, my purples are supposed to, I don't know. Yeah, it goes from pinks to yellows. I think I'm gonna keep my purples there. Then my like olives, blacks, and whites. And I have my mirror right there, of course. So my closet is a mess right now, you guys. Don't judge me. So I have a lot of clothes still in bags down there. That's my wig head. These are jeans and pants that didn't fit in my drawer. These are all slides, and sandals. At the bottom down here are tennis shoes. Oh, I just got these. I thought they were so cute. I thought these were super cute. Let me show you them in the light. And they match my nails, so I was like, yep, I need these. They are super cute. I haven't worn them yet though. Okay. So that's basically it for my closet. Nothing too amazing. So now let's move over to my desk. So this is where I record my YouTube videos, I guess. Turn the light on. I have to clean that, you guys. Don't look at that. But I also use this mirror sometimes. I just got it. I thought it was pretty cute. So yeah, that's one mirror I use. And here are my this is my little Disney collection from ColourPop. I want the villain set too, but this is all I have right now. This is literally my favorite foundation ever. I mix it with cappuccino. I mix cappuccino and mahogany, and that makes the perfect color for me. I have a few of my brushes here, my speaker, water, remotes. Oh yeah, I literally love this perfume by Nicki Minaj, Majesty. I don't know if they still sell it or not, but it is the best perfume I've ever smelled in my life. So here are just like eyeliner, pencils, random things. Oh, I just got the Beauty Bakery setting spray. It's baking spray. So this is it. It looks just like baking spray, which is super cute. Super duper duper cute. Say your grace. And then it has like a little, I don't know what to consider that, like a prayer maybe. I have my Morphe setting sprays back here. Morphe. So let's move over here. Over here, the James Charles palette is just too big to fit in my little drawer. So I put it right there. Here's my business book. You all have seen it before. Here are my palettes. The palettes that I wanted to bring to school with me. So a lot of stuff stayed at home, but these are the palettes I wanted to bring to school with me. What's in here? Random things are in there. More random things right down there. And right here are some of my lashes that I use. So I have little glues everywhere. These are my lashes. These are my rubber bands for my Invisalign. Of course, Shop Casino lashes. So some of the boxes got damaged when they were being shipped to me, so that's why I kept like some pairs. But anyway, you guys, Shop Casino lashes. And I believe that it's really it for my room, you guys. Okay guys, so that is it for my dorm tour. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. I'm gonna make sure I fix all my little business stuff because I don't like that right now. I needed to like give me a business vibe. Like that stuff is just right there right now. But anyway, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye, you guys.